Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about making money with crypto ads, a starter on Rarible. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Crypto is crazy and popular, right? The value of cryptocurrency is going up right now. The crypto world has its own community, and it's likely that it has its own rules about how to sell things. Some examples of what can be done with new technology are selling tweets, selling memes, and selling a pixel for 15,000 US dollars. I don't think of myself as an expert in either art or blockchain technology, but I think of myself as a business owner who looks for opportunities. So I checked it out. In the next few minutes, I will talk about how easy it is to get started in this business and how you can make money from it. Of course, a lot still depends on you as an artist. That is how you market and sell your work if you want to be known and successful. But I think everyone should at least give these new platforms made possible by blockchain technology a try. 1. Make art. At the same time, this can be hard and easy. It's easy because anyone can be an artist. However, selling your art can make it hard to figure out who you are and what kind of art you make. People don't know about a lot of great artists because they can't market and sell themselves. For me, AI helps me make art. I have spent a lot of time making sure that the processes and algorithms I use to make images are the best they can be. 2. Get a wallet for your cryptocurrency. Again, I don't know everything. I choose the simplest and most direct way to do the job. I use a plugin for the Chrome browser called MetaMask. 3. Get some cash sent to your wallet. Since transactions on the blockchain cost money, you would first need to get some cryptocurrency. My friend sent me some Ether from the Ethereum blockchain. 4. Choose a place to sell your ads. There are many ways to connect. Many of them are already full, and you'd have to send in an application and hope they accept you as an artist. Rarible or Mintbase are good places to start. Rarible is very simple. Basically, all you have to do is sign up, connect your wallet, and upload your ads. 5. Set up on the platform. First, you need to link your wallet to your computer using the MetaMask plugin for Chrome. The next stop will be the marketplace. On the Rarible platform, click Create at the top to make a single item or a collection. After that, you have to upload your art and add details like price, description, etc. Then, just pay the transaction fee through MetaMask. A Chrome window will pop up and you already have an item on Rarible. So that's all. This is how quickly you can sell art online through Rarible. I couldn't believe how easy and quick it is. One thing to keep in mind is that the gas fees, that is the transaction fees for Ether, are quite high right now. Those fees depend on how much Ether is worth right now and how long it takes to process. When you put your art on a blockchain platform, those are the only costs you have to pay. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.